Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And I am here to present my July kit based on our inspiration brought to us by our founder, Becky. And we would love for you to join along over at our Facebook group site, and I will have the link listed below. And in summary, what you do is use our suggested inspiration to put together your kit from your scrappy supplies. Get out your photographs to document those memories in a fun, creative way. However, if you do not like our suggestion for the month, you can still play along, put your own kit together, snap a photograph, and upload it over there at our Facebook group site. Like I said, I will have the link listed below, and you will be automatically entered to possibly win a scrappy gift certificate from Mini Kit Mondays. And then we would like you to create 3 layouts from your kit and upload those over at the Facebook group site in the July album. And you will get 3 more entries to possibly win a scrappy gift certificate. All right, now without further ado, let me show you my July kit. Oh, based on our inspiration, I forgot to mention that. So when we think of July, we think of traveling, camping, gardening, and of course 4th of July. And yeah, today's 4th of July, so happy Independence Day. The 10 categories are: use the color red, blue, use white cardstock, use the word adventure. Then for embellishments or pattern papers, we would like you to use plants, flowers, and trees, suitcase, something with wheels. Also, for 4th of July, we would like you to use stars and stripes. And then add the color gray. Let me show you my scrappy kit. I'm a little rusty on my videos because I took the month of June off. Yes, from all social media. Didn't do any scrapbooking. I just needed a break. And thank goodness that break was only a month to refresh. All right, for my first little page kit, I have selected this blue with white polka dot from Carta Bella called Craft and Create. It was released in 2021. The opposite side is this flower print, and I could use either side or use both sides. Then I have this older paper from Close to My Heart from the collection called Wander, and yes, it is upside down. So I could use this side, and we have tents and compass and coffee and bikes, which that would be wheels. But I think I want to use this geometric side right here, and it's probably very hard on the eyes. Then I have this red and white stripe paper. Remember, one of our suggested items is stripes and stars, and this is called Stars and Sparkles. And this was a collection released back in 2021 with Close to My Heart. And then I have white cardstock. So that's kind of one paper collection. And then I have my photos, and I'm not going to really reveal those, but I have 4 photographs. I may only use 2, I may use 1, or I may use all 4. And I may make it a double spread layout. So I included 2 Daisy white cardstocks from Close to My Heart. And just a little secret, I am a Close to My Heart consultant, and if you do not have a consultant and would like to come shop with me, I will have the link listed below. All right, next for page kit number 2, I have this 12 by 12 tone-on-tone blue pattern paper from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Truly Grateful. And the other side is for like fall layouts, kinda, sorta, but you can use it for anything. And then I have this orange pattern paper here, and it is tone-on-tone with an off-white around the flowers. This pattern paper is also from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans collection called Horizon. I could also use the plus sign. And that's it for page kit number 2. And this is just my pattern paper and photos I'm showing you. For page kit number 3, we have Paige Evans, and it's Splendid. And this is from 2021 and a photograph of my husband. Then I have this other herringbone pattern paper, tone-on-tone green that has an ombre. So we go light to dark. And this is Paige Evans Splendid Collection. Again, I can use either side. And then I have this tone-on-tone blue pattern paper of plus signs, or if you turn it sideways, it could be X's. And this one is from Amy Tangerine, Late Afternoon. And this is an older collection, from 2021. I could also use this side. That's page kit number 3. And then I have a bonus one, just in case I'm one of those other page kits, I'm not feeling it, or I just do a bonus layout. This is our little guy from 13 years ago, yes. And we have Pink Fresh Studio, and it says, Super Cool Collection, and this says Full of Adventure. This is the side that I selected. And this is the opposite side. And this is from 2019. I have this tone-on-tone green pattern paper that has an ombre or a shadow in the middle and darker out on the corners, and a little bit of mixed media printed within the pattern paper in the upper left-hand corner and the lower right-hand corner. And this is from Bo Bunny. I could also use this side, but I did choose the other side. And this is a newer collection from 2022, I think. And that's Willow and Sage collection. I chose it for that side. Then for a pop of yellow and white, we have Pink Fresh Studio. This is from 2021. I chose it for this side. This is the opposite side, which is a great pattern, an easy layout to complete by just putting a photograph here, matted on several layers of paper, and then add some embellishments, and your layout is complete. And this paper is from the collection Happy Blooms. But again, I chose it for this side. So as you can see, my pattern papers are bright, fun, and colorful with a white base to it. So that's the pattern paper, and now I'm going to show you the embellishments. And I do apologize if I seem a little rusty. I did take a month off. You wouldn't think that would have an effect in me producing my videos, but I feel like I am stumbling and stuttering. I do apologize. Each video will get a little bit better. All right, I have this large word that says adventure. I hope that I can incorporate this onto my layout because it is one of our 10 items to use. We have puffy stickers from Echo Park called Summer, from the Summertime collection. Have a lot of the colors, the red, the blues. We have the wheels represented on here. I have this die cut piece, and we have the gray that we're incorporating. Again, something that mimics wheels, and this is from Hobby Lobby. We have some Pink Fresh Studio stickers from a travel collection, and I don't remember the name because I just have bits and pieces left. I have some puffy stars that I picked up from Hobby Lobbies about a year ago. Maybe longer than that. It says 2017, so yes, several years ago. I have a sticker book from Becky that has various tabs, colors, and themes in here. I also have these puffy word phrases, keep it real, and it has the reds and the blues in here, and plus you can add additional colors to your kit. Then I have more stickers that are basically tab stickers, and some with icons and phrases on them, and this is from the from Pink Fresh Studio Some Days collection. Then we can never forget to add some chipboard, and this is from Maggie Holmes' Sunny Days collection, and this was a 2021, I think, or maybe a 2020. And again, we have the representation of wheels. We have things about traveling, going to the beach, yada, yada, yada. So that is my kit. I do reserve the right to add additional items, and that would be inks, splatters, some acrylic pieces, maybe some flare buttons. They are all on my desk in, like, I have this little swirly thing right in front of me. So we have wood veneers here. I have acrylic pieces. I have buttons that I can just reach. Therefore, I don't include those in my kits. And then the same thing with my inks and my stamps and my sprays, all my mixed media stuff. All right. We hope that you will play along in putting a kit together for the month of July and documenting some photographs. And we would like you to give us a thumbs up. Be a member of our Facebook group site, and don't forget to go to Becky and Kathy's channel, and I will have their links listed below in the description box. And again, enjoy 4th of July, which is today when this video is going up. And keep coming back every Monday, and come back on other days that I post for other collaborations as well. We'll see you next time. Bye.